Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find element codes in Canva. If you've ever wanted a quick way to identify an element's collection and pull up similar graphics later, this is the most reliable method. This is especially helpful when you're designing Shopify product images, banners, or brand visuals and want to reuse the same style across multiple pages. We'll walk through it slowly so you know exactly where to click and what to look for, even if you're brand new to Canva. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure the design you want to work on is on the screen and fully loaded, so all editing options are available. Next, click the element on your canvas that you want to learn more about. This could be an icon, an illustration, a shape, or any graphic you added from Canva's library, such as a badge, arrow, or decorative accent. It's important that you're selecting the individual element itself, not a text box or the entire page background, so the correct options appear and Canva knows exactly which asset you're referencing. With the element selected, right-click directly on it to bring up the context menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way. From that menu, choose Info. This opens a small details window that gives you metadata about the element, including where it lives inside Canva's system. The Info option is designed to surface the origin and collection details so you can trace where the element came from within Canva's library instead of guessing or searching manually. Inside that Info view, click View Collection. This is the key step. When you do, Canva will open the left-hand panel and show a curated set of graphics that belong to the same collection as your selected element. You'll notice these items share a consistent style, color palette, and line weight, which is extremely useful when you're trying to keep your design cohesive across product pages, promotional graphics, or an entire Shopify store. At the top of that left panel, in the search bar, you'll see a set code. This is the identifier Canva uses for that collection. Think of it as the collection's label or shortcut. Having the code visible in the search bar makes it easy to recognize and reference later, especially if you want to return to the same style in a new design. It also ensures you're looking at the exact family of elements that match your chosen style, rather than similar but mismatched graphics. If the Info option doesn't appear, double-check that you clicked a Canva library element rather than a grouped object or a background image. Selecting the specific element usually reveals the Info command. Also, keep in mind that interface labels can vary slightly based on updates, but the flow remains the same, even if Canva adjusts wording or layout. Open your project, select the element, right-click and choose Info, then select View Collection. The similar content loads on the left, and the set code shows in the search bar. Once you know this flow, you can repeat it anytime you want to build out a consistent visual system. That's all there is to it. Follow these clicks and you'll always be able to find the element set code and browse perfectly matched graphics for a polished, consistent design that looks intentional and professional across your Shopify store.